Good morning, everyone. This is another one of my outdoor bushcraft type knives designed for hunting and camp use and bushcraft type things. Um, it has a jimping on the back, on the spine for extra purchase when you're pressing down on with your thumb for cutting. And if you notice, the blade has a curve to it. The belly of it has a curve. That's to help with when you cut. It kind of draws the blade right into the cut on a piece of wood or something like that. But it also helps an awful lot with the skinning of game for hunters. Very fine point too that works well with detailed cutting. The blade is about 4.5 inches overall, and the whole knife itself is about 8 and 5/8 overall. 4 brass pins, and this is in my gun stock tiger maple. It also comes in all the other woods available on my site as well. It's this particular one is sold, but it is available to custom order on my site. I also have a wait list on my site as well, like I've mentioned before. You can sign up and be notified by email when when I have extra knives available, which is typically 2 or 3 times a month. But again, you can place a custom order on the site too as well. If you have any comments about this knife or any of the other options that you see on my site, other knives, please leave the comments below here, or you can contact me directly by email or by phone. All of my information is on my website as well as here on YouTube. And we will be making more videos in the future here, so we'll see you in the next one. And I appreciate it very much for you watching. Thank you.